Hi guys, so I have compiled this do-it-yourself ICAN November 2025 registration in just 3 steps. So I believe this will help you to subsequent ones be able to register for yourself. First of all, you are going to go to this particular site here, icanportal.org/professional. You have to be careful. There is one for professionals while there is another one for members. So make sure you use the professional. Here you are going to log in. We see the login address here. Then after you must have logged in, you will be able to click on register for examination. So after that, you are going to land on a page like this. Now, don't worry about this other section, the exam level paper. No, I've put an arrow here so you will know exactly what to fill, and make sure you fill it accurately. If you made any mistake in filling, a prompt will appear here that will tell you to check for accuracy, that what you've inputted is not correct. Then when you scroll up, you will see the email address. Now one thing is going to happen. The moment you put in your email address, there is a transaction ID request that will pop up here. It will ask you to put in your transaction ID, then you submit. Now what will happen is, if all the details you've inputted earlier is correct, you will be prompted to check your email, because they will send your transaction reference there. Most of the time it will always end up being in your spam instead of your inbox. So make sure to check your spam, then copy it and paste it here, then click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, every other thing here will automatically appear. The number of papers you are eligible for, the amount you are going to pay, then you just fill in your tutorial center, the exam center you would like to use. Those just the two major things you will need to fill. Your passport photograph and your signature will automatically appear here. Then you are going to click on this. You will tick this mistake notification, then you will click on Monnify. Now the Monnify will take you to another page where you are going to see how much, inclusive of bank charges, you are going to pay. Once you pay, you will see another button that will ask you to confirm that you've sent the payment. Immediately you do that, you'll be passed on to another page that will display your details that you are going to save. In the meantime, you can print it in the meantime, pending the time that your exam docket will be out, which usually used to be 3 days or 4 before the exam. So what I explained earlier, this is how it's going to look like. Once you will see this transaction reference, once you click on it, once you send it to your email, once they send it to you, you will be notified that you should check your email. So you just copy it and send it to your email. So this is just in 3 steps. You can make payments and register for your ICAN examination by yourself. It is applicable from November 2025 upward. So if anything happens and they change it, rest assured that another video will be made to update this. Then you can check the playlist. I've also included how to apply for exemption by yourself. Thank you guys. Do well and share to your friends and colleagues.